project. This application is used for this all three-phase induction motors. Project is mainly on two types of faults, that is electrical fault and mechanical fault. In electrical fault, we are cover 6 parameters, that is over voltage, over current, under voltage, under current, over frequency, under frequency, phase asymmetry, and phase reversal. In mechanical faults, we are cover many points that is related to the bearing, that is bearing, weight, shaft weight, and the vibration. Project in detail. This is incoming supply, and this is the outgoing wires. This is connected to the incoming of the motor. This is the indicating unit. Our project is mainly divided into 3 parts: indicating unit, sensing unit, and controlling unit. In indicating unit, we are indicating the voltage and current per phase, and in sensing unit, we use the VFC, current controller, temperature controller, and speed controller. VFC we sense the over voltage and under voltage. Current sensor sense the over current and under current. Temperature sensor sense the over temperature, and speed sensor sense the over speed. This is the CT. This CT is used to check the current. This is the contactor. This contactor is a 16 ampere rating. This is used to on off the circuit. This is the Arduino. This Arduino is used to process the data. This is the GSM. GSM is used to send the message to the operator. Occur in bearing. Because of this fault, temperature surrounding the bearing is increased, and this increased temperature is sensed by this temperature sensor, and this temperature sensor sends signal to the Arduino, and then this contactor will turn off the circuit, and when this temperature sensor fails to operate, then this current controller sends the current, and this current controller sends the signal to the Arduino, and Arduino sends signal to the contactor, and then contactor will shut down the system. This current present in system because of the when fault occurring bearing, then the current of the system is increased. Because of that, this current sensor is occurring in circuit. Fault in practical, which is related to current. We have connected this system to the motor. When we decrease the load on the motor, then current of the motor goes below its rated value, and this under current condition is sensed by the current controller, and it sends signal to the Arduino. Arduino process it and sends signal to the contactor, and contactor will shut down the motor. At the same time, GSM sends SMS to the operator showing content system is in bad condition.